Hello, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys, where we teach the little guy and girl how to utilize charts to manage their own trades and investments. What do I mean by the little guy and girl? Well, we just had 2 directives signed halting the implementation of a rule that requires financial advisors to act in the best interests of their client. Let that sink in a little bit. The big wigs on Wall Street can play with your retirement and hard-earned money without your best interests at heart. We currently have hundreds of members taking charge of their financial future, and we would love for you to come check out a free week with no credit card required to see if our services would be beneficial on your path to financial independence as well. What we offer, we have a separate course of over 5 hours in length on when to enter and exit positions. And in terms of what we do daily, we have nightly videos, key levels updated each morning before the bell, 2.5 hours of live daily webcam coverage in the morning and in the afternoon, and over 7 hours of educational videos. All of these links can be found in the description of this video. Come check us out. Thanks for watching. Let's get on to the technical analysis. Looking at SPY on the daily, weekly, shorter term time frames, blue sky breakout bulls continue strong. We're above the upper Bollinger Band at 231.15. New all-time high, second day in a row, and the momentum building for the bulls as we have broken that tight range and very clearly continued to the upside. For the weekly time frame, we had a successful bull break of the inside candlestick and a close near the high of the week. The exponential moving average support continues to hold, showing that strength. And in terms of the daily chart at this point, I keep pointing out that middle Bollinger Band support. That's at 228.17. We're getting well above that level. I'm also watching this low right here before we got that new all-time high. That's a consolidation, higher low, and that level of support is key to watch to maintain the strongest uptrend, and that is at 228.31. In terms of breaking this strong uptrend, it would be a break of last week's low, and that would be down at 226.32. But again, we have plenty of support levels to be watching before that, and the bulls are in full control. Looking at the shorter term time frames, we got SPY here with a very strong 5-minute chart where we had the low of the day at 230.88, and then a higher low. We pulled back to 230.92 and then got a higher high. So this 5-minute higher low, higher high pattern continued all throughout the morning into the afternoon, giving no sell signal to the bulls because we never set a lower low. So even here we had a pullback and hit 231.07, little lower high, and then 231.07, a double bottom, and then a new high of the day. So very clearly, if we're not breaking the higher low pattern, the bulls are remaining in control with an uptrend. So we hit the high of the day up at 1:50 p.m. just before 2, and the higher low pattern was broken right here. We had the low of 231.51, lower high, and then we broke 231.51. So that was when the higher low 5-minute pattern broke for the first time, and we saw pretty much sideways trading for the rest of the day after that. So looking at the hourly time frame, all moving averages support. We're not even close to the 20 period. The 100 and 200 period are trying to catch up. They're well behind as well. And we'll be watching that 20 period moving average because if we do lose that support, it's a long way down to the next support on the hourly time frame. So again, the bulls are in absolute full control. There are no signals otherwise, and this 20 period hourly would be the first signal that there's going to be a little bit of weakness on really any time frame that I would be looking at. That would be signal number 1. But as of right now, haven't even touched it in 2 days in blue sky breakout. So I hope you have a great weekend. I appreciate you watching, and we'll continue to check back in as always.